Hi everyone! Want to share my 2025 BMW R12 90. This is my minor setup as of now. For the suspension, we upgrade the rear to Öhlins. With adjustable canister. Everything's plug and play. Then we installed valve cover protector by Wunderlich. Side stand enlarger by Wunderlich also. Then for the rims and tires and on this unit, we do a customized order from Rotoblocks using their carbon forged wheels with custom color. Like the edge, I match it with chrome sticker because this is the 719 aluminum to match it, and also red accent with red valve cover to match my frame. And the tires we're using is, the stock is 180 wide. Now we're using the 200, so you can see at the back. Fat tires. This is only weight, 2.1 kilo for the rear, while the front is 3.1 kilo. Also, we installed unit garage, engine, belly protection. What other things? Also, Wunderlich well cooler screen. Very nice quality. And for the exhaust system on this unit, I choose the full titanium exhaust system by Unit Garage. For the exhaust, I choose the short low because you can choose the high, the double, because the stock exhaust of this unit is stock. No noise at all. So we'll do a sound check on the exhaust system right now. Okay, start. Soon, I'm just waiting for the DNA stage 2 filter, air filter for this unit. Hope you like our build. Feel free to message me. Because stock is boring, guys. See you here at PRS. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, guys. Bye!